Hey guys, here's box 8 of Topps Strata from my case. So this is the last box in the case. I've done pretty good on the case overall. No complaints. For what I paid for it, I'm sure the hits are going to more than pay for what I got into it. So I am not complaining in the least. Okay, since I've opened these last 3 boxes in a row, you're not going to see the 3 videos probably in a row because it takes a while to load these longer videos up. And then I'll put them in the right order. But all the autographs have been coming from this side. So I'm going to do like I did in the last video, that side last, so we can have a little excitement to the videos. And I'll try to go fast. Wheaton, green, okay. Cordell Patterson, die cut, rookie, not numbered. Dalton and Decker. Last time I got the 2 die cuts right away. I'm wondering, because that last box, it's one of the packs slid over. Gardner, Jordan, Gillespie, Landry Jones, Ed Reed, and Mike Wallace. Just for the heck of it, I'm going to open one of these over here, because that's where the other die cut came from. Maybe. We'll see. Yep. The die cuts were on the top. Ray Rice, Matt Ryan, Vance McDonald, die cut, not numbered. Santonio Holmes and Frank Gore. Okay. Steve Smith, Julio Jones. Ooh, numbered card. Stephen Taylor, 67 out of 150. Very nice. Followed by a black card. Roddy White. Darren McFadden. Marshawn Lynch. Tavon Austin, Matt Barkley, Dean Milner, Eddie Lacy, Alfred Morris, Josh Freeman, Reggie Bush, Jimmy Graham, Roethlisberger, Russell Wilson, Schaub, Stafford, Williams. The rookie, the autographs on this side. Jonathan Franklin. Well, actually, I'm good because it would have stunk if it was always on the same side. Murray, Torrey Smith, Jonathan Franklin, Williams, and the rookie is autograph is Chris Harper from Seattle. Ooh, it's numbered too. Yay. Numbered 136 out of 150. I got 2 numbered cards out of here, out of a retail box. That can't beat that. And it's a rookie, their wide receiver. Very nice. So, unless I pull something else that I'm not supposed to get, this is going to be base and rookies and a couple black ones, which is cool. And hopefully some bears. I haven't pulled a bear yet out of this box. Escobar, Monty Ball, Nassib, Zach Ertz, Peterson, and more. Jackson, Gronkowski, McCoy, okay, Arian Foster, black one, Colin Kaepernick, Earl Thomas. Kenny Stills, Tyler Wilson, Aaron Dobson, Eric Reed, Johnson Charles, Philip Rivers, Doug Martin, Pierre Garçon, Randall Cobb, Drew and Von Miller, Stedman Bailey, Keenan Allen, Justin Hunter, Christine Michaels, Richardson and Palmer, King, Josh Boyce, Marcus Lattimore, Manti Te'o, Bradford and Allen. On to the next stack, which I don't know if we'll get anything since I've already got the 2 die cuts. I got a numbered autograph. Oh, I got a black coming up. Cool. Cromartie, Brown, and the black is a rookie of Geno Smith. Very cool. Cecil Shorts, Reggie Wayne. I've got a note passed from underneath the door I'll have to read in a second. Giovanni Bernard, Tyler Eifert, Patterson, Niles Davis, Aaron Rodgers, Brandon Whedon, Percy Harvin, Vincent Jackson, Amendola, Wilson, Stevie Johnson, Larry Fitzgerald, Josh Randall, Quentin Patton, Mike Glennon, Vance McDonald, finally a Bear, Tillman, Romo. I think the last time I got Tillman, Romo was followed him. Antoine Bolden in the... Oh, yep, on the back. Christian Ponder, Nix, Vic, Willis, Laurinaitis and Bolden. This should be a rookie pack. It is Ellington, Woods, Geno Smith, and of course, there he is, E.J. Manuel. Always Cruz and Breeze. Tell you what, those 2 quarterbacks turn out to do something. That's going to be good because you're going to have, I'll have 2. Got a black card in here. Sherman, Walker, Bo, Christian Ponder. Bummer. Sorry, Christian. Ryan Tannehill, Aldon Smith. Why couldn't it have been Tannehill? I don't know where Ponder. Maybe he'll stay in Minnesota. Or did he go somewhere else? I can't. It's been really busy this year with the trades and moves and bingo. Griffin and Flacco. 2 to go. And we're going to be maybe under 10 minutes. Andrew Luck, Welker, Dez Bryant, another Bear, Brandon Marshall. Well, he's not a Bear no more. Luke Lee and Peyton Manning. Last one. Oh, and we're going to be under 10. Sweet. And the last pack is a rookie pack. Le'Veon Bell, Stephen Taylor, Marcus Wheaton, Hopkins, and to round out, Johnson and the cheater. Ends it on a bad one. Thanks guys for watching. I'll talk at you later.